Hi! In front of me is TCL for DSE, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock on this smartphone. Start by opening settings and choosing advanced features over here. Now you need to select app lock and select one of those login methods for your apps by tapping on the best one for you. Now you need to set it up and choose next at the bottom right corner, then repeat it and answer this security question. You can also click on it, pick one of those, or even choose custom question and create your own. Save it by choosing confirm and remember to answer it correctly below. Then choose next and over here select confirm at the bottom right corner. Now you can also choose associate and add your face unlock to unlock your apps. I will go with cancel those, so now I need to click on add apps and select ones that I wish to lock. In my case it will be sound recorder. Then save your changes by choosing the check mark at the top right corner and choose home button. Now when I try to choose sound recorder app, as you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!